Nothing's happening on my boat. Can you get over here, please? I'm just outside of Aurland. In the water outside. Just come over here. Emergency on board.
That's all the information I can give for now.
My name is John. I work at the office in FjordSafari with safety and preparedness. I used to be a boat driver. Now I write important documents like preparedness plans, risk assessment documents in order to make everyone understand what are expected of them and what makes a tour safe. We will conduct a medical emergency scenario exercise. So the exercise involves FjordSafari and several external responders like Aurland Medical Center, Aurland Fire Brigade, the Emergency Medical Communication Center, AMK, local out-of-hours medical center, Legevaktcentralen. And the purpose is to practice coordinated first aid, safe navigation to an emergency harbor and clear communication, both internally and externally. This helps us to build a shared situational awareness and improves everyone's ability to respond instinctively and effectively during a real medical emergency.
Generally we do like this. Anyone who doesn't have any medical problems, who is a little bit shorter, we want to stay more to the front of the boat.
We also aim to strengthen cooperation between FjordSafari and other responding actors by improving our understanding of how they work and giving them a clearer understanding of our procedures and operational realities. Two boats depart from Flom. They go straight to Aurland without any stops before. The boat drivers, one on each boat, they start guiding.
My grandfather was actually one of the guys that made the Aurland shoe.
Suddenly a person collapses. It turns out it's a heart attack that has led to a cardiac arrest. The boat driver now has to handle the situation, meaning 113 AMK has to be contacted.
So if someone can call this number. FjordSafari båt rett utenfor Aurland.
Echo New Line svarer på øvelse.
After the collapse, the boat driver has to drive the patient as fast as possible to land in order for the rescue personnel and the medical staff to take care of the casualty. In dialogue with the 113 operator, a decision will be made if seafarers should start on board while navigating towards the emergency harbor. It's also important to communicate internally, so the management of FjordSafari knows what's happening and knows how to proceed with the situation. After the exercise is over, the work continues. How can we improve our safety preparations and our cooperations with others?